Yeah, let's see. We'll look at the train cars while we're waiting on doing some coupling in the yard. Coupling and recoupling. We'll look at these cars. I guess eventually they'll pull those down and add those to another train. But yeah, I got here a few minutes ago, and a buddy of mine called me and told me the train was near airport heading north. Well, he couldn't tell which direction, but he said it was off of airport on the south side of airport. And so I went to airport first, Airport Boulevard, no train. I could see the end of a train, and then I come up by Pensacola Christian College. I think that's what it's called. The train was still sitting there, so there's still some radio talk, but they're coupling and recoupling cars way down there. Let's see if I can zoom. Can't zoom in or out in this mode. I don't know what mode I'm in, but I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but I see way down there, I see a train that's got its lights on. But that's the one that, or locomotive rather, that locomotive was up here by me earlier, and I've been listening to them on the scanner. They've been coupling and recoupling cars, so I don't know if he'll come back down here by me or not, but it's two locomotives. It's a CSX 2008 and a CSX 7554, I believe, but I'm not sure on the locomotive number. Those loaded white cars, they look like GE pieces to their wind turbines. I don't know if you can see those. I don't know why I can't zoom in and out in this mode. I don't even know what mode I'm in, but hopefully we'll see a train or a locomotive, but I don't see any lights, so he must be way down there. By the way, I'm south of Fairfield Drive overpass, and where am I? No, I'm south of. I'm north of Fairfield Drive, just north. I'm looking south. Well, I don't see any activities. I'm gonna pause this thing.